I'm having two brothers.
I have two brothers. We do not use am having for possession. Use have has for family and things.
You don't like tea.
She doesn't like tea. With he, she, it, use doesn't, not don't.
I didn't went there.
I didn't go there. After didn't always use is verb go.
I'm going gym.
I'm going to the gym. We need to and the before specific places.
Yesterday I go to school.
Yesterday I went to school. Yesterday, past tense, use a second form, went.
Give me one water.
Give me a glass of water. Water is uncountable. Use a glass of or some.
She is more taller than me.
She is taller than me. Do not use more plus er together. Use only one.
I am living here since 2020.
I have been living here since 2020. Use present perfect continuous with the since for.